Ever wondered what the difference between on-page SEO and technical SEO is? We're about to delve into that. Getting this right could be a game changer for your website's visibility. Let's start with on-page SEO. It's all about content. Think about it as garnishing your website with keyword optimization, meta tags, and a well-structured URL. It's like a well-cooked meal, but with a twist of internal linking. So, on-page SEO is essentially making your pages search engine friendly. On the other hand, technical SEO is like the backbone of your website. It's all about optimizing the infrastructure of your site. Key elements include website speed, mobile friendliness, XML sitemaps, and secure sockets layer, also known as SSL. In simple terms, technical SEO ensures your site can be crawled and indexed by search engines. So you might be wondering, what's the key difference? On-page SEO optimizes content, while technical SEO optimizes your site's infrastructure. While on-page SEO makes your pages likable, technical SEO makes your site accessible. Now apply these SEO techniques like subscribe, turn on notifications,